All right, we're here with Joey Armistead from Sonora, Georgia. Joey, looked good there in limited sportsman qualifying, 14.94, push on the pole. Looks like a pretty good, decent field of cars. Track seems to be holding together tonight. What you think about it?
Yeah, the track's actually been real good. The start of the season, the track, it got kind of rough, but it's really smooth out now. And they've really gotten to where you can run the top side. It used to be down in the bottom, and that's where everybody ran, but now you've been able to move up. And qualifying, really, my car was real good. I got to thank my dad for that and everybody who helps me out. But really, I was watching Clint Smith. He's the one who really got me to help qualify well, just watching him. But, yeah, the track was real good. My car felt real good, and I'll see if I can come out with another win from where we won last week, see if we can't do 2 in a row.
Anything y'all look forward to try as far as the track moisture coming up or slicking it off? Does it play out any certain way during the week?
The only thing we might change now, since the car's pretty dialed in, we might change do a little gear change here and there, but that's just about it, really. Car feels real good, and see what we can do.
All right, Joey Armistead from Sonora, Georgia, on the pole tonight for Limited Sports. Okay, we're here with Todd Dartle from LaGrange, Georgia. Todd is our outside pole sitter in Limited Sports tonight. You and Joey pretty close on time, man. That's going to be tight.
Yes. Well, I think it's just a couple tenths or hundredths or whatever off of us, so maybe it'll be tight all the way to the first turn. Hopefully I can get that outside to do a little something. And
yeah, looking from here, we're on the inside down here. A little bit of a cushion and a little bit of moisture up there to get a hold to. Maybe you can pull around him on the outside or something.
Yeah, if I can stay with him, I think I'll be fine. There's a little bit of a cushion up there. If I can be with him when we enter the curve, I think I'll be okay if he don't smoke me on the start.
I hadn't asked any of the other drivers, is tire issues ever come into play here, or not pretty easy on tires?
Yeah, everybody runs 1350s and they'll last 30 laps easy.
All right, Todd Dartle, outside pole sitter, Limited Sports. limited late model sportsman winner, Joey Armistead from Sonora, Georgia. Man, got off away from him, looked good.
Yeah, I knew my car was good, and the track was real good, and I knew my car was going to be set up for the bottom, and I was really hoping it'd be there. I was honestly hoping there wasn't that much of a top, but in the end, the bottom paid off. My car was real fast, and I can't say enough about my crew guys for giving me this opportunity.
Okay. All right, we'll let us get by right here. Gonna give a shout out to them sponsors right quick.
Yeah, Jodico Auto Sales, Shorty Shock Service, Transmission Parts Unlimited, and everybody you see here on the car really helped. I know Modern Images for giving me this great looking wrap.
All right, your limited sportsman winner, Sonora.